In primetime news this evening, Hurricane Melissa death toll climbing. Good evening and welcome to this special edition of Primetime News. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. We continue our comprehensive coverage in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. There's also sports, and Romain is actually here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. No, conditions are drying out across several sections of the island. However, we're still waiting on that flood water to recede. We do have some shower activity, and we did have some shower activity across sections of western parishes, and we're expecting a slight increase in the rainfall across the area. This weekend, we still are monitoring the progress of that weak frontal system expected to pass through the general area. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you so much, Romain. Now, before the break, this is what we're asking in our feedback question this evening. How are you coping mentally with the level of loss and destruction caused by Hurricane Melissa? Of course, you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center. So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.